Good morning everyone. I hope you are all well. As our first semester is over, so we are going to start with the second semester syllabus. So we are going to start the first chapter of second semester. So that is chapter number 30th, simple, compound and complex sentences. So before starting of the chapter, we should come to know what are simple sentences, what are compound sentences and what are complex sentences. Means to say we should know. So first of all, simple sentence, I will tell you what are the simple sentences. So simple sentence contains a subject and a predicate. Simple sentence is that kind of sentence where one subject is there and one predicate. Is used over there, na? So that's why one subject and one predicate, and expresses a complete thought. Means to say the sentence is complete in its own. It did not or does not need any of the other sentence to make the complete sense. Okay. So let's see one example. The boy went to the park. It is having a complete sense. Boy went to the park. So it does not need any other sentence help. That's why it is called simple. Suppose I will give you two, three more examples. Suppose I am going to market. It is having a complete sense. It does not need anything. है ना? So I am teaching you. I am teaching you English. So one subject, one predicate. I am teaching you English. I is a subject. All the other things are predicate. Clear? So in simple sentence, one subject should be there, one predicate should be there, and it should have a complete sense. Suppose I will say one sentence that I dreamed. I dreamed that I lived in a marble house. I dreamed that I live in a marble house. Is this a simple sentence? No, just because I dreamed is the sentence that is having a complete sense कि मैंने dream देखा, ठीक है? But next thing that I lived in a marble house, that is not having complete sense. Okay, so that is not a simple sentence. ठीक है? That is called complex one. Clear? I hope simple sentence is clear to you. Oh, a simple sentence is also called an independent clause. Means to say it is not dependent on anything. That's why it is called independent clause. Clear? So next we will see the compound one. The compound sentence is a sentence with at least two independent clause. उसमें क्या था? One independent clause was there. One subject, one predicate was there. But in this sentence, at least two, means to say more than two can also be there. But at least two should be there. At least two should be there. Clear? So next we will see compound sentence, independent clause and independent clause. Suppose I drink green tea but they drink coffee. So I drink green tea, if we are using it as a simple sentence we can use, but they have merged two sentences or they have compound two sentences, and so that's why it is joined. That's why now it is compound one. I drink green tea, it is having a complete sense. This is an independent clause. Means to say that ki in compound sentence two simple sentences are combined. That's why it is called compound. Okay, I drink green tea, it is having a complete sense. They drink coffee, it is also having, but we have used but over there, so that has combined them. So it is now compound sentence. So this clause could stand alone. We know that, I have already told you that कि it is having a complete sense. इसकी separate identity is there. That's why we can use it alone. So this also they drink coffee, that is also having a complete sense. So compound sentence has at least two independent clause. Two independent clause can be there, at least two. More than two can also be there. Let's see. बच्चे in compound sentence some conjunction are used, just like कि but is a conjunction ना. So compound sentence में two simple sentences को combine किया होता है किसके साथ, coordinating conjunction के साथ. So but is also a coordinating conjunction. So we will see. So some coordinating conjunctions are there: for, and, nor, but, or, and yet. These are all coordinating conjunction. When you are making a compound sentence, you have to use all these conjunctions. बच्चे, this formula or a trick to learn all this conjunction is given fan voice. F for, A and, N nor, but boys से, B से but, O or, Y yet, and S so. So these are all coordinating conjunctions. So to frame compound sentence, it is necessary or useful. Clear? So next one is a complex one. Complex sentences consist of one independent clause and at least one dependent clause. इसमें क्या होता है कि one independent clause is there, that is called principal clause, and one dependent clause is there, that is called subordinate clause. ठीक है, one principal clause and at least one dependent clause can also be there more than once, but independent clause or principal clause should be one only. ठीक है, it cannot be more than once. Clear? And let's see some more things about complex parts of complex sentence. So first of all, one independent clause is there, that is called principal clause. आफ्टर दैट subordinating conjunction. बच्चे उसमें क्या होता था, हम coordinating conjunction fan voice trick I have given. So इसमें हम subordinating conjunction we have to use to make a complex sentence. ठीक है, and one dependent clause should be there. Clear? So I will give you examples after that. First of all, we will see some conjunctions, subordinating conjunction. But these are all subordinating conjunction. This is the list of subordinating conjunctions. So you will have to use all these conjunction while making the complex sentence. जैसे after, how, if, because, before, till, until, ये सारी subordinating conjunctions are there. So you have to use. So two clauses are joined by subordinating conjunction at the beginning of dependent clause. इसमें क्या होता है बच्चे, when you are, I will give you one example, after that you will come to know. So the students are studying but they have test tomorrow, because they have tested tomorrow. Students are studying, this is having a complete sense. So this is a principal clause or an independent clause, because they have test tomorrow. Why they are studying? Because they have a reason behind that is there. So बच्चे, the two clauses are joined by subordinating conjunction. Because is a subordinating conjunction. So but at the beginning of dependent, क्योंकि at the beginning of dependent clause, just because this is a dependent clause, so at the beginning of dependent clause you have to use subordinating conjunction. Clear? Next, the student stopped studying. They had stopped studying. It is having a complete sense by its own. So it is a principal clause. Because they had to go to class. This is a now again which clause? Yes, it is subordinate clause. ठीक है, one is principal clause, another one is a subordinate, and it has started with because. ठीक है, at the beginning of the sentence. Clear? Next we will see compound sentence examples. God made the country and man made the town. So बच्चे, this is a compound sentence and you have to you have to clarify that key. You have to find it out which clause is there and what kind of sentence I have given already कि this is a compound sentence. So इसमें क्या होता है, two subordinate two independent clauses are there और coordinate clauses are there. ठीक है. So God made the country, coordinate clause. Man made the town is a coordinate clause and coordinating conjunction is there. So like this, the moon rose and everything looked bright. The moon rose, it is the coordinating clause, and everything looked bright is also coordinating clause. So he who, just because बच्चे all these are compound sentences just because कि they are not dependent on one another. The moon rose, ये we can use as a simple sentence. Everything looked bright, this also we can use as a simple sentence. Next is he who does his duty is loved by his officer. ठीक है. He who does his duty, जो अपना काम करता है, is loved by the officer. This is having a complete sense. But a man who shirks it is despised by all. कि जो काम नहीं करता उसको रिस्पेक्ट नहीं मिलती, उसको प्यार नहीं मिलता, है ना. सो both are having the complete sense. Clear? So and these are combined with the help of coordinating conjunction, but so that's why it is compound one. Next, some complex sentences examples are there. We returned when the sun set. We returned, हम आए, that is having a complete sense. ठीक है. So this is a principal clause. When the sun set, when is used, when is also a subordinating conjunction. So this is a subordinate clause. As we tried to enter the inn, the inner keeper said that there was no room. So बच्चे, the inner keeper said that there was no room. This is having a complete sense. So this is a principal clause. बच्चे, principal clause can also at the beginning and can also be at the end. ठीक है. The inner keeper said that there was no room. This is having a complete sense. So this is a principal clause. As is used here is a subordinating conjunction. So as we try to enter the inn, this is a subordinate clause. So I dreamed that I lived in a marble halls. ठीक है. I dreamed, this is a principal clause, that I lived in a marble halls, that is a subordinate clause. So I hope you are clear with it. If you are having any doubt, I will clarify all the doubts in your Zoom class. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.